Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever planned a trip,
This food is
organized a family
amazing.
event, or
To
tried to
family,
finish
to
something
family.
important before a deadline? Congratulations. You were already doing project management. In this video, I'll explain what project management really is, why it matters, and how it applies to everyday life, without boring theory and without complicated jargon. On this slide, here's the official definition. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to meet project requirements. In simple terms, project management means getting things done properly, not magically, not last minute, and definitely not by shouting at people. Here's the idea. Project management is about planning the work, organizing people, leading the team, monitoring progress, and delivering results on time, within budget, and without losing your sanity. Think of the project manager as the glue holding everything together. Project management saves money because mistakes cost money. It saves time because planning avoids delays. It improves quality because expectations are clear. And most importantly, it reduces stress. When everyone knows the plan, there's less chaos and fewer surprises. Let's take a real project. Getting married. You have a scope, ceremony and reception. You have a budget, and it never feels enough. You have a timeline, and relatives who think deadlines are optional. Without project management, this becomes chaos. With project management, it becomes a celebration. Now imagine remodeling a kitchen. Clear scope, new cabinets, flooring, appliances, fixed budget, tight timeline, multiple vendors, one delay, and suddenly you're cooking in the living room. This is project management with dust, noise, and real consequences. Now let's go professional. Building a fitness app. Defined features, limited budget, aggressive timeline, multiple teams. Miss planning here and you don't get an app, you get an expensive idea. Every project has 3 constraints: scope, time, cost. Change one, and the others must adjust. Want it faster? Either increase budget or reduce scope. There is no free lunch in project management. Project management follows 5 simple stages: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, closing. Skip any one of these, and the project reminds you later, usually painfully. Initiating is about deciding to start. Why are we doing this? What problem are we solving? Who is approving it? For a wedding, this is deciding the date, budget, and saying, hey, yes, we're really doing this. Planning is where most success is created. You define scope, build schedules, estimate costs, and identify risks. For a wedding, this is booking the venue, finalizing vendors, and creating a timeline. Good planning saves future headaches. Execution is where the real work happens. Teams perform tasks. Resources are coordinated. Stakeholders are managed. For the wedding, this is decorations, rehearsals, and the actual event. This is where plans meet reality. This phase runs alongside execution. You track progress, check deviations, and take corrective action. For a wedding, this is confirming RSVPs, adjusting seating, and handling last-minute changes. This phase prevents small problems from becoming disasters. Closing is often forgotten, but very important. You formally complete the project, get acceptance, and capture lessons learned. For a wedding, this is thanking vendors, collecting photos, and going on honeymoon. Yes, closure matters. Project managers don't survive on memory. They use tools. Project Charter for authorization, WBS to break work, Gantt charts for timelines, risk registers to track risks, status reports to communicate progress. Tools don't make you smart, they make you consistent. Good news. You don't need to create everything from scratch. Free templates are available for charters, WBS, timelines, risk registers, and status reports. Use templates. Save time. Look professional. If you want to become a project manager, start simple. Learn the basics. Practice on personal projects. Use templates. Get certified. Gain experience. Every expert PM once managed their first small project. Let's summarize. Project management is planning, organizing, executing, and monitoring. Every project has scope, time, and cost constraints, and project management applies to everything: work, life, and even your career. If this video helped you understand project management clearly, hit like. Download the free templates from PMOChampion.com. Subscribe to PMO Champion for practical PM tips, real-world examples, and ready-to-use resources. Comment below. What project will you manage next? See you in the next video.